Hi, I'm Abdul Rahim. I want to ask you a quick question. Have you ever wished you could make more money than your boss and quit your day job? Are you tired of working hard and have little to show for it? That should end now. You know why? Hands down, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest way to make money online. To get started, it's cost effective and simple. If you are interested in affiliate marketing with a little knowledge, it can be easier than you think. Even if you're a novice computer user, this would allow you to quit your job and even make more money than your bosses. Do you know why people fail when they start an affiliate marketing business? The simple answer to this is that they have no guidance. They buy ebooks, membership courses, and overload themselves with information. No, my friend, you need a guide, someone who can steer you in the right direction. If you're serious about affiliate marketing, I've got a course with somebody who's actually in the trenches making money from affiliate marketing. The world of affiliate marketing is a time-tested thing. You know, hundreds of people have made money over the years doing affiliate marketing. Why? Because it's probably the easiest way for you to get started online and make serious money. You know, you want to quit that job. Now, if you want to learn affiliate marketing from someone who's actually doing it and in the trenches doing it and has actually made money from affiliate marketing, he has a free course for you. You know, all you have to do is put your email and click the link, and you will instantly get a video course on how to actually do this properly. You know, so go ahead. You have nothing to lose. It's absolutely free. Thank you.